In this video, you will learn how to replace the Mirra 1 arms easily without any previous experience. This video is a very simple one, but we also have more complicated processes which we simplified for anyone who wants to fix their ergonomic office chairs without prior or in-depth knowledge, so subscribe to our channel to learn everything we know. Start off by removing the Mirra 1 seat. We have a dedicated video on how to remove it. It's recommended to watch it first before proceeding. You can find it in the info card here. Once the seat is removed, flip the lever on the back of the arm to be able to remove it. Now, remove the sleeve inserts and stem cover. Do the same steps for the other arm. To assemble the arm back, just insert the stem cover and the sleeve inserts as shown. Slide in the arm and you're ready to go. Are you interested in the Herman Miller Mirra 1 office chair? We have other tutorials for this brilliant chair. How to replace the flex front seat. Replace Herman Miller Mirra 1 arm pad. Maybe you're looking to replace the back. Or even replacing the gas cylinder. Also, if you're looking for a Mirra 1 chair for the highest quality and best price, we also have a video on how we refurbish our Mirra 1 chairs so you can be confident about our refurbishing quality. Please like and subscribe to our channel to keep receiving our latest tutorials and in-depth reviews.